Alright, here we have some units.
Air conditioners.
Trane XL, I believe that's a
20i.
Yep, it's a 20i.
Oh, you filmed this one before, have you?
Yep, and a Gibson Nordine.
I don't know if I feel like getting in the bushes.
I don't, so I'm just gonna zoom in on
I'm
it.
not going back there.
Oh, tiny one.
It is a 2008. Yeah, November of 2008. An XL 20i 4-ton heat pump. There's a Nordine, which it's a Nordine.
Oh, I didn't even notice that you need some photos.
Here's a Nordine. I'm gonna walk in front of your camera. Has a Copeland recip. Logo is missing. This is data. Now, it is actually a heat pump. So these are all heat pumps. All right.
Here we have a brand new
Here we have some more units.
5-ton Goodman.
Brand new Goodman. This is a brand new one.
There's your big fat reversing valve down there.
Here's some units.
Looks like a bigger tonnage, although these Goodmans are big to begin with.
2023.
Has a wrap on the logo still.
See, I'm curious how old this thing is.
And then here's another Rheem heat pump.
Or no, that's 90.
That's
Here's a Rheem heat pump.
1999.
1999.
Is she on the Rheem?
I'm very happy about that. Here's some older. 2012.
Trane XB 2012. It's a heat pump.
2023.
Wonder if this has.
Here's a new Goodman.
Another new. I didn't even know this one was here.
Here's
I
another.
guess I was just oblivious.
The new design. This is your first time seeing the new design, isn't it? Here's a Trane XB.
2012.
One of my first
Just
times.
like that one.
This one does
Has
not
a
have the wrapper
scroll.
on it.
Well, the disconnect open on that one.
They have the. I think it might be the old unit.
And that's it for
Let's see
these.
how long. 53 seconds.
Here's some Carrier products. Got a Bryant.
2 Bryant heat
Has a new
pumps.
motor in it.
Here's some Bryants. These are pre-2005.
Copeland recip. Or they might be right at 2.
Copeland?
1998.
Oh no,
They're 98.
98.
So it would be a 2.5
This is
ton.
older than I thought.
1998. There's a base in there.
Scroll
And there's a
compressor.
base model back there.
It is A.
It is B.
It's a 1998. It's like a 4-ton. Here's a Carrier base series. There's a Copeland scroll. It's a heat pump, like all the others. A big shovel. It is a 2007 3-ton 13s here.
So
It has a Copeland scroll compressor.
Couple reams.
new ones.
Here's some reach.
2022 14s here, 3.5 ton.
You know what these replaced?
And they didn't even re-insulate the lines. There's a Rude actually. Same thing.
2021. 3.5 ton.
Copeland scroll.
This is a heat pump because I can see the reversing valve.
Alright.
Height.
And XRs.
Here's some Trane XLs. We'll go back to 14s. And I was right.
Heat pumps.
This is from 2016.
Has an Alliance scroll, which is a rebadged Copeland.
2017.
Look at that.
Get one there.
2016. It's a 14 SEER 3-ton.
17.
A couple older ones.
Height.
It's got that little Trane Comfort Specialist badge on the side. For Trane. The Trane gives those out to Trane dealers.
Yeah, it looks like that one has been running.
Oh yeah. There's a couple Trane XVs.
We have 2 XB13s. 2014.
Compressor.
That one's a 2013.
It's a heat pump. 13.
See the year on this one.
They're both heat pumps. I can see the reversing
It's a 2014 13 series heat pump, 5 ton. There's a few units, a couple Bryants and a Carrier.
What the hell?
Logo's in good shape. Copeland's full compressor.
We have a 2006 Bryant base model running at 2008.
It's running hot. This is a brand new Carrier Sentry. This replaced a Bryant AQS from 2005. Alright, here we have a Trane XR. 2018, it's a 14 seer, 2 ton. Small ICP.
Brand there.
This is a,
Yeah, it's from 2011.
it's a heat pump.
I guarantee that Trane replaced one of these.
Oh, there's the logo on the ground.
Don't take it. Leave it.
Oh, no, these are
13.
brand new.
2013.
Brand new.
That's a heat pump. 2011.
logo
2011.
right there. And one right there.
I've never seen one with the logo on the side like that.
That's interesting.
And there's your reversing valve right there.
Yeah, there's fans in there.